How's it going? I'm up and coming HVAC Johnny. I came today to show you guys, give you guys a look at my tool bag. I call it the problem solver. Why is that? I don't think too much problem this thing can't solve. A lot of these guys in the field, they say, yeah, you know, I pack light, I have a service bag, I'm new to the field, so, you know, I try to bring everything in the kitchen sink. I still like to bring all the tools I may need, so I don't mind it. And guys I work with, they may bring a little service bag, and I fill in the gaps with this thing. It's the Veto Tech LC. I bought it used. Good luck trying to find one used. Usually the guys don't get rid of these bags. So if you do find one used, you're gonna pretty much pay a reasonable price. So if you can't find one used, just buy it new. It's well worth the money. I also got this TP3 on the side. This thing is pretty much useless. I think anyway, by its own, because it does tilt. They say I can bag out right now. I know AK HVAC showed me a new bag. I was thinking about getting that one, but I pretty much like it on the side of my bag, on my loop, so I don't see no need to get a new one. First off, let's weigh this thing. Let's see how much this thing actually weighs, because I never weighed it. So I'm gonna use my field piece digital scale to weigh it out. First off, all right, now it's ready. Let's see the weight on this thing. That's not too bad. 34 pounds. Seen guys actually get up like 50 easily. And I still have plenty more room to get it there, but I'm thinking that's good enough weight for this bag. 34 pounds, it's good enough for me. Now let's go through this bag. I'm gonna start off with the side pouch. TP3. I got it loaded with a couple of things. Client needle nose pliers. Come on out of here. Tighten Allen wrenches. As you can see, I use these a lot. Milwaukee pliers. And Hillmore 2-in-1. Got the 1/4 and the 5/16. First one. Hillmore 10-in-1. Comes out, has a service, a Schrader valve remover, screwdriver, both. Field piece, temperature thermometer. Oh, I got a couple of gases in here too. Cobalt, razor knife, small tape measure, copper tube cutter, Hillmore, real small one, getting those tight spots. Thing. And that's it. And that's it for this pouch. That's all unloaded. It's pretty light. Outside I got my Testo digital gauges. I carry 2 sets of gauges. This is pretty much when I have 2 units working on. I could hook gauges up to both of them, digital gauges. I got the 550s also. I'll just give you a look, guys. I'll give you guys a look at what's inside. Couple fittings. Yellow jacket, ball valves. Got to set up the yellow ones on my shelf. Trailer valve remover, yellow jacket. That's just the other side of the clamp and the probe. Now for the tool side of the bag. Top zipper, I have, let me zoom in on this here. That is a key for the service valves, service caps. Make sure you guys get one of these because you'll run into units with those new lockout caps on it, so it's 2-sided. A little mini level. That's it for that zipper. Oh yeah. This is my when all else fail kit made by Cobalt. Ratchet and with screwdriver bits with a whole bunch of different fittings. Alright, let's go inside the tool side of the bag. Twist it around trying to figure out what works for me. This is what pretty much works for me, so this is where it's at right now. Let's walk you guys through it. Got a whole bunch of Hillmore upside down Hillmore screwdrivers. I bought the whole set. I just have them all bundled together like that. They have the indicators on the top. Klein nut drivers. Got the whole set of these. Also has the indicators on top. Klein insulated Phillips head. Weehaw insulated screwdriver. Knuckle buster Klein 1/4. I like that one. Rigid pipe cutter. For you can, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has the extra wheel at the bottom, so when you will get dull, check the bottom of your cutters. They usually have one. Milwaukee lineman pliers. I like these too. Pretty good. Wire scrippers. Some Milwaukee wire scrippers. Also, I like those. Klein crimpers. Cobalt wrench. Adjustable wrench. 8-inch. Cobalt Phillips. Cobalt small precision screwdrivers. I use them for thermostats. Set of line wrenches, and they ratchet. Also like these. Nut driver extensions. A spare service wrench. Have a couple Milwaukee. Couple Milwaukee bits at the top. Star bit. Have an old gasket pick. Get those gaskets out. Put a little tube cover on it so it don't poke when I'm reaching in the bag. Oh, it's another one of those nut drives I missed. Inspection mirror. He was hiding back there. Check those pipes when you solder them or braze them. Make sure everything's done well. An old handy dandy toothbrush. Clean my tools. Anything else need to be brushed off. Alright, that's it for the tool side of the bag. Let me switch to the other side. Now I'll give you a look at that. On this side, I have my, I love this thing. Milwaukee 12 volt thing, yeah. It has the lights on the front. And you can adjust the torque. That's the main reason I like it. So you don't strip out those screws. Real nice handy tool. Got more headlight. I don't leave home without this thing. Energizer. Some of the most important tools in here. Most underrated tools out there. Old batteries. With a tester, I have 9 volt. I have AAA's and 8A's. In this zipper, I have some of the most comfortable gloves you can find. MaxiFlex. These are the Elites. And also another pair of the MaxiFlex. These are the Endurance. They're a little bit ruggeder. That's all for that zipper. Now let's go inside. The meter side of the bag. Like I say, somebody got me for my Klein's non-contact voltage meter. Over with that. Right here I got my Fluke 322 clamp on meter. My old Nebo slide light. Pull it, slide inside. It also has a magnet on the bottom, so you can attach it. And it's a really nice feel light. It also has regular light for the top. It's a nice light there. I just had to have it. As you see, I keep flashlights. When you don't have one, you wish you did. This be the first thing that goes anyway. Someone always take a flashlight. I also have another Nebo Cricket. Also at the magnet at the bottom. It's good for attaching, and this head actually swivels. So you can turn the light in the direction you want it, which comes in real handy. You can never have too much light. I love light. You can never have too much of it. So that's why I make sure I keep a couple flashlights. My Fluke 117. I have my blue vac, professional, digital. Yeah. Vacuum gauge, micron gauge. It's a really nice micron gauge. It has the app you can download for free and pretty much shows you everything. So it's a really nice vacuum gauge. A lot of people say they don't use them. Wonder why. A lot of people say they don't like to use them. A lot of people say, oh, what you need one for, get one. Do the job right the first time. Trust me. Also have the Klein zip tie gun. Full of zip ties. Duct work, basically. Or when I got a lot of zip ties to pull, I'll use it. A rigid pipe cutter. Also, something that's underrated till you have to cut it. Test leads. A long Klein screwdriver flathead. Some gator clamp. Test leads. These are for my, see if they're working. I have 2 of them in here. There they go. And that's it. That's what I have in my Veto Tech LC. Think about upgrading. What you think? I need a bigger bag or what? Just let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure I review them. If you think I missed any tools or you got a tool to recommend me, let me know in the comments and I'll see if I can pick that guy up. I mean, I'm big on tools. Like I said, I don't like to be missing nothing. So help me out. And if you see a tool that you think I can use, just drop it down in the comments. And please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you.